Hi guys, this is your thing here, and today we're gonna be doing a new video for a little percentage system. So this percentage system will be useful for, I guess, create openings, randomizers, and things like that. So let's get into the video. So first things first, you wanna go to your screen GUI, search GUI, insert a screen GUI, and name it. Name it whatsoever you want. It doesn't matter. Name it whatever you want. Oops. And then you just put a frame inside. Then you use it to put another text button inside. Name this text button open. So this will open the frame. Put it over here. I'm just going to make this. This is going to be, you don't need to follow what I do because this is just a little rough thingy of what I'm going to do later on. So then I'm just going to make this thing 0.5, 0.5, so I'm gonna make this 0.5, 0.5, 0, 0.50. Then you're just gonna make this 0.50, 0.50. Okay. Move this to the side. And in the frame, I'm gonna add a text label and a text button. This will be called reward, and this will be called spin. So let's put the spin button here. Let's put the text label here. Let's just make the text label text scaled. Not name it anything. Let's just name it your reward is. And this will be the spin button. I'm not gonna customize or anything because this is code in the video. So let's just put this logo script under spin. I don't give away scripts, so you can join my Discord server for help if you need help. But I'm going to explain the script for a sec. You can always pause the video to copy down the script. So you see these things with 2 lines. You don't need to do it. You can ignore those things because those things doesn't affect the script anyway. So first you want to get the variable of the player, which is game.players.localPlayer, because this is a local script, you can do that. And then these are items you want inside. You can name this whatever you want, but remember this name has to be the same as this. So if I name this item, make all of these named item. Get what I mean? So this is how it works. Say I want air to be a common, and then I want sun to be uncommon. Let's say I want fire to be rare. I want sea to be legendary, but then I want wood to be common again, and I want a mythical thing. You become mythical. So say that these are my variables, and you don't need to write these things down. It's just for reference. So say you want call this loot, whatever you want. You can call this loot table 1 or loot table. Just remember this has to be the same as this, and this, and this. I'm gonna call this 1, loot table 1. And then I'm gonna make this item equals to item. This is whatever variable, whatever like rank it is. So 1 equals this, 5 equals this, 2 equals this, 3 equals this, if you get what I mean. So I want 1 and 5 to be air, so I just make this 1 and 5, to be common. So I just make the weight 50, which means 50%. So say this 50%, and then I want this, the second one, which is sun, to be uncommon, which I make it 30%. And the third one I want it to be rare, which is 5, I make it 15%. Then I make it the 4. By the way, you can change these You can change this by yourself. It won't affect anything. These are just the rarity things. You can like make this 100, and it won't be 100%, but then it's a weight system, so you can make it whatsoever you want. So let's say fourth one will be C, which is linear, and sixth one will be mythical thingy, which is 0.1%. So this is the script to using the weight to get the random number generation. You can pause the video to copy this down. Remember, this has to be the same name as this. Then the next, same with these, has to be the same name as this thing above. This will get the random item using the weight given in the loot table. So that's how it works. So let's start with how to get the reward. First thing, let's say that script.parent. If you guys don't know what script.parent is, it means this is the script. You see where my mouse is? Then this parent is spin, because it's the parent of it. Parent is spin. Then you want to say on mouse button, one click, that means the left click. You connect once it's clicked. And then function. So put brackets there. Then enter. So you want to name your item, which means item equals whatsoever your item is, which item equals, say that this, so you copy this and paste it into here. So you get the item from a loot table, and now the variable is got an item. So it resets every time you click on it. So after you get the random item from the loot table, you want the reward to show something, isn't it? So you want to go script.parent again, which is script.parent again is frame. I'm going to go back to reward, which is .reward, because that's under frame. And then you do .text, because it's text. And you want to make it equals. So I'm going to make it you got, and then space. You don't need to copy me. Dot means, like, just a thing. And then make it item dot name, because you need the name of the item. I'm just not going to add that down to confuse people. Just make it item dot name, because you need the name of the item, which is that. So it will work now, but then we need to make this invisible. We're going to add a script to the open button, making it a script.parent.mouse button one click. That means if this got clicked, it's because the parent of the script is open. You connect to it, and then the function. So you click enter, and then you want it to open this visible, this frame, which you do script.parent, which is the open button, .parent again, which means create, and then if you do .frame, which is the frame, so if it's clicked, the visible equals to not this. So if it's visible, it'll turn invisible, and if it's invisible, it'll turn visible. So let's see. This should work. So now I'm in my game. Click on open, spin. So let's see. Oh, I got an error, which is common. Ooh, I got a legendary. You can see that it's actually rarity based, because it's not that easy to get. Look, I got like common a few times. It's not that easy to get legendaries. You have to at least click it a few times. And you can see it's almost impossible to get a mythical, because, mythical is 0.1%, which is super hard to get. So you can see this crate system works. So if you want something to happen after you open the crate, so you want to do if this item, if item dot name equals to whatsoever one of your item is. So say that it equals to air. I can make it do something. So I do then whatsoever you want to do in here. So for now, I'm gonna say he'll just give me a sword, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna put starter tools kind of sword. Yes, I'm gonna put in starter. I'm not gonna put it in starter pack. I'm gonna replicate it sword. Oh, I already have a sword. Say that this is the sword. So then I just make it game. It's a whole game. Dot replicated storage, which means this. And then inside there's a sword, so I just make it dot sword. And it's appearing. So I just give it to the player. So I just clone it. And then dot parent. Oh wait, no, I'm just gonna make this a variable. Let's make this local sword clone equals that. I'm gonna make a sword clone dot parent equals player dot backpack, which is the backpack of me. So let's see if that works. So just a reminder, this is only an example. You don't need to follow what I do. It's just an example of the great thing. So this wood. So look, I just got air. I get a sword. I get another sword because I got air again. So if you're interested, so this is how this works. Look, I got air again. I got another sword. So next thing, what if I want myself to spend money? So you see I have a leader stat script here. This is how you code a leader stat script. I'll just give myself 100. No, I'll just say 10,000. I'll just make myself $1,000. So you could say that if it's clicked, you see. So if you want it to be if you want it to cost 100 and you don't want negative money, then you do if player dot leader stats, because that's dot whatever you named your variable. My variable is named cash, and depends what you put it under. So I make it name cash. Dot cash dot value is bigger or equals to 100. This sign means bigger or equals. And then this is what I do down here. So let's just quickly add an end thingy here. And let's just make this space out a little. Then you want to remove $100, which means this player.leader value equals the value of this minus 100. So now we have 100 less money to spend. So let's test that out. So you're going to open, you spend, you minus 900, I minus some money, I minus some more money, minus more money, I minus more money, I minus more money, so I minus more money, minus more money, minus more money, I minus more money, and so once I'm at 0, I won't be able to spin again. Look, it won't let me. So that's how we make a system for using cash. So I hope you learned things from this video. I feel it will be really useful for your future coding experience with Roblox Studio, because I guess crates is a really big thing in games, or a rarity system whatsoever. And the pet system, you could always make another script, duplicate it, and do anything else with it. Remember to join my Discord server if you need any help. And remember to like and subscribe to this video. I hope this helped you. And see you guys next time. Bye.